everyone! Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started!
Singable Words!
The word is
Coax.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Coax is to gently persuade someone into doing something. It does not mean to discourage or to repel.
But wait! Here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Influence, tempt, entice.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Repulse, turn off, dismiss.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the chicken join the band? Because he wanted to coax out some excellent tunes. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
It took almost an hour to coax the cat down from the tree.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now, let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
I like Singable Words because it has funny jokes in it. It teaches a lot of kids, and I like the songs. Singable Words!